Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Coinbase on your mobile device. In this case I'm using an iPhone, but it's the exact same on Android. So what you want to do is go to the App Store if you're on iPhone, or it's the Google Play Store if you're on Android. For me, the App Store is in the middle of my home screen. It's this blue button right here. Click into there, and then on the bottom right it says search. Go into the search page, and at the top in the slightly grayed out bar, start typing in Coinbase. Press the search button on the bottom right. So we've got a bunch of listings right here. The first one is an advertisement. You've got to scroll past that. And then we've got the Coinbase listing right here. This is the first organic listing. This is the official Coinbase app. On the right-hand side, for me, there's a cloud icon with a sort of a blue ring around it with a downwards pointing arrow. That just means that I've downloaded Coinbase on my App Store account in the past. But if you've never downloaded Coinbase on your App Store account in the past, you will have a button that says GET, the Get button. Either way, press Get or press the cloud icon, and then it will start downloading the Coinbase app on your device. And you can actually see the progress of how fast the download is completing by the blue ring going around the circle. So I'm going to come back once this has fully downloaded on the device. And there we can see, guys, Coinbase has fully downloaded on this iPhone device, and the App Store actually gives us the option to actually launch the app from within the App Store, and you can do that by pressing the Open button. Press the Open button, it's going to launch the app for us, and basically that's Coinbase. You can start using it now. There's a sign up button on the bottom left in blue. If you do not have an account, press that and create your account there. But if you do have an account, you can go to the sign in button on the right and basically enter your email, your password, and you will have access to start using Coinbase. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, then please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks.